Anabia, what we are making today?
Cupcake.
Cupcake. So will you please tell how we'll make the cupcake? What are the ingredients?
Batter.
Okay. Batter, which batter you will be using?
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate cupcakes you will be making. So what is the process how we make the cupcake?
We will use some molds
Okay.
to make cupcake.
And what else is needed?
Melted butter.
Okay. What else?
Milk.
And
Sugar.
sugar. And what else? And then we put it into microwave oven.
Oven.
Okay. Thank you. So we'll be putting now this ready mix powder
Okay.
into the bowl.
Okay.
Complete. Let's just completely finish this. Okay.
Why don't we completely finish it?
Okay. So we'll make for the complete powder. Okay. Right.
Okay.
Now put the water. So you are going to yes.
Complete water?
Yes. More. Okay. More. Bas. That's it. Now we'll mix this. Wait. Okay. So we'll mix this and let's mix it well. Okay, Anabia?
Okay.
And then we'll add some butter to make it smooth.
We
Okay.
will add some melted butter.
Yes, we'll add some melted butter. I was wrong, so we'll add some melted butter into this. Okay.
You were wrong. If you forgot, we will add melted butter.
Anabu, keep it into microwave, please.
Okay.
Very good. Excellent. Right, very good. So what butter is melted now, and we'll add some part of the butter to the batter to make it more smooth. Okay.
Okay.
Now Anabu, let's make it just
More
make
smoother.
yeah, it's going to be more smooth here. So we have to stir it for some more time so that it becomes more smooth. Okay. So you just stir it. Okay.
Okay.
And I have to prepare the oven. Okay. Right.
A little more.
What? Yeah, you have to stir it little more.
A little.
Yes. No, not more. We don't need butter anymore. You just stir it and make it make the batter smooth. Okay. We need to mix the batter much better and make it bit more thick. And this is doing really good. See. Yes. At small quantity, okay? This is too much.
Sorry, I have to preheat it little.
Yes, very good. Add a small quantity, not too much, okay? Because we need to add in every. We are spreading the melted butter to the molds. Very good. Yes. Now what we'll do?
Is put the
Put the batter into the molds.
Put the butter in the bowl.
We'll be adding the batter. See this.
And spread them.
Wait. I'm adding.
I'll be spreading.
Preheat the oven.
Close it.
Yes, close it. Close this. So we'll set the time and we'll set it for 5 minutes initially and high actually, so that it should become preheat, and it is on toast actually. And I hope so, we have started getting microwave is getting OTJ is getting heat up. Yes. Three-one molds are ready with the stuff, and now we'll put it into the tray. Okay. Wait.
Dirty, my hands are dirty.
No problem.
Clean it. Clean it.
And now we will put this into OTJ for 16 minutes. OTJ is at full heat, and it had started working on the yes, and we can see that something is happening inside, and it had started, the baking had started, the process had started. So you have decorated. What you have added to decorate, Anabia?
Chocolate
And
gems.
okay, gems. Very good.
मेरे पेट में केक नहीं है. मेरे पेट में कपकेक नहीं है.
Okay, so Anabo, what is this?
Cupcake.
Is it decorated?
Yes.
Okay, with what you have decorated the cupcake?
With chocolate and gems.
Okay, to whom you are going to give this?
To grandma.
And okay, who else?
Mama.
Okay.